What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix lag and low performance when playing Roblox on macOS. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Launch a Roblox game and press escape to access your settings. To prevent Roblox from lagging, you should first of all reduce your in-game graphics quality. Set the graphics mode to manual. This will allow you to change the graphics quality setting below. You should lower this to around 2 or 3 ticks depending on which Mac you are using. You can increase your quality settings later on if you feel like you have some performance to spare. Below, enable the Performance Stats option. This will show you information regarding your memory and CPU usage, as well as your download and upload speed. After applying your changes, proceed to close Roblox for now, as well as other applications running in the background. Reducing the amount of devices running on your Mac will help keep a better frame rate and increase your overall performance while in-game. Next, click on the Apple icon in your menu bar and select System Settings. In the General section, navigate to Software Update. Proceed to download the latest update in case there's one available to you. You will be prompted to restart your Mac to install the update, which can in some cases help with performance issues. Back in your General settings, click on Storage. Make sure that you have some available storage left, as games like Roblox will read and write files in the background to properly work. You can start by emptying your bin and deleting other unneeded files. When this is done, you should additionally make sure that your Mac, in case it's a laptop, is not in low power mode, but preferably plugged into a power source. To reduce network lag while playing Roblox, make sure that you're using a reliable network connection and disable your VPN connection while in-game. All steps and more information will be listed in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.